is a viral illness that typically causes fever, headaches, muscle aches, fatigue, and they usually happen all of a sudden. A lot of times people will say, in the morning I was still feeling fine, and then at 3 o'clock I felt like a train had run over me. Flu season typically lasts from as early as August to as late as May, with peak season being during the winter time between November and February. It is treatable with an asterisk. It can be treated with a medication called Tamiflu, but it's most effective if started within 24 to 48 hours of onset of symptoms. So I do like to tell my patients that if you are starting to feel like you have the flu, come in sooner rather than later so that we can start you on the treatment. Otherwise, it's not effective if taken outside of that window. Flu can be prevented with the same way that you would prevent any other kind of illness, with your basic hand hygiene, washing your hands frequently with soap and water, using alcohol-based hand sanitizers, wearing masks if you're having any symptoms of coughing or sneezing. But the key thing that can prevent the flu is the flu vaccination. There are new flu vaccinations every year to cover the different strains of flu. It is safe for almost everyone, and I recommend it to pretty much all of my patients. Again, it is not 100%, but people who get the flu vaccine typically have less severe symptoms and don't require hospitalizations and have less side effects from the flu. The flu still causes thousands of people to be hospitalized and can be fatal every single year. It is most dangerous for children 5 and under and adults 65 and over. And so especially if you or a loved one fall into those age categories, I really recommend that you get the flu vaccine to protect yourself as well as your loved ones, because it is the most effective way to protect yourself from the flu. If there's 2 takeaway points that I can end with, one is to come in early if you think you have the flu, so that we can start you on the appropriate treatment if you do have the flu. And 2, the flu vaccine is safe and it is recommended for everyone.